GORV stock analysis, price predictions news. In this 1 minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos and documented them all. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially where we're sitting at. Yeah, 24% up is nice. But what's even not so nice is that the price is in a very big bearish market, right? This thing pumped out of nowhere, you know, we went from 2 to 6. Pump and dump basically. Pre-market is even lower. So what is the likelihood that we're going to keep making lower lows? If you ask me, quite high, but I'll just definitely stay away with Lazydays, purely because like it's a very high risk, high reward, this sort of stuff. But I mean, since it's already pump and dump, and in my eyes there's no doubt that they will just keep making lower lows. So please do your own due diligence, don't just blindly listen to me. And if you want to get daily stock picks, tips and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Okay, bye bye.